Welcome to Cooking with Camp. We want a grill. It's one of those Sam's 22.5-inch kettle grills. It's got a cast iron grate on it, which I really like. So I've been using a ceramic grill for so long, I'm excited to try this thing out. I've never owned one. So we're going to indirect heat some barbecue chicken tonight and see how it turns out. So it's been a while since I made a video, so let's try it out. Get it going. Thanks for watching Cooking with Camp.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0, ignition, liftoff.
Okay, this is going to be a very simple recipe. We're going to use this Susies Q's salt, pepper, and some garlic. And then when it gets about done, I'm going to use some white sauce. This Bob Gibsons, I've tried it before. It's really good. So first, we're going to chop our chicken in half. You want to remove the backbone like this. Chicken over. That'll be nice and flat. I'll sprinkle it with some of this seasoning. Looks like our coals are ready. I got everything pushed to one side over here. We're going to put our chicken on this side and just let it smoke. And once it gets a little crispy with all that salt and pepper on it, it should make the skin crispy. And then we'll throw some of that Bob Gibsons white sauce on it and see how it does. I love this cast iron grate right here. It's very sturdy and very thick. So I'm pretty impressed with that. All right, here's our chicken. I'm about to put it on this side over here. Let you guys take a look at the setup here. We got all the coals on one side and the chicken on the other. About to cover it up. Close the vents down a little bit. Show you these vents. I'm just going to barely open the vent a little bit, see if I can get the temperature to stay down a little bit to about 250, and we'll go from there. I'll check in with you in just a little bit. All right, we're about 45 minutes into this cook. I moved the chicken kind of directly over the fire, and it's getting late and we're getting hungry, so we thought we'd kick it up just a little bit, but everything's looking great. So we'll check in on it in a minute. Okay, we're about an hour 10 into this thing. Look at that chicken. Ho, 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 ho. Okay, everybody, I would say this chicken is done. Let you take a look at it right now. All right, well, we're going to test taste it. What I've done, I decided to put the sauce on the side. We're going to use it as a dipping sauce instead of spreading it all over the chicken because its crust is just unbelievable. Here we go. That's real good. So anyway, I'm impressed with the Kettle grill. I've just been a ceramic guy for so long. I'm so used to how it cooks. But hey, if you win a grill, use it. And I really like it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Cooking with Camp.